Morgan, will you help me with Bella's bowls?
Good job, Mom.
You help me with Bella's bowls? Huh? You help unload the dishwasher like a big girl? Oh. There's one more.
Good job, that's 3.
Can you get the one more?
Can you get the 4th one? I got all 3, Mommy.